Hey guys, I am here with a quick tutorial on how to easily create TikTok videos of your computer screen. So the problem is that TikTok videos are vertical while most computer screens are horizontal. So you need to do some manual cropping and zooming in to make it enjoyable on mobile devices. And this is where Keyframe Studio is going to help you. So let's create a screen recording, visit some websites, click around a bit just for the sake of the example. So let's go to the editor and press record. You could also provide your own media, but for now let's just record our screen with Keyframe Studio. So if you want to record yourself as well, you can choose this or this layout. Let's go with a circular one for now. Alright, it's already initialized, so let's start the recording. I will select my current screen and the recording has already started. So let's check this website. It's an article, it's a super interesting article. I recommend it if you haven't read it already. 7 practical tips for cheating at design. Let's scroll down a bit. Yeah, great stuff all around. And okay, let's maybe switch Windows. I also want to show some code. I select this one. I am hovering over these files. Alright, that's enough. That's enough content. Let's go back to the browser and stop the recording. Alright, now we are immediately brought back to the editor with our recorded stuff. So let's clip the beginning a little bit with this handle. That's fine. And you can see this switch here between edit mode and view mode. So view mode actually represents what will be visible on TikTok. Let's go back to edit mode and move this gray rectangle around a little bit. This controls what is visible in view mode. I moved it, and as you can see in view mode, it reflects that. I can actually also move around myself, so maybe we can see some more stuff. Alright, that's good, but I don't want to show only this portion of the screen throughout the whole video. I want to actually move this around. So to achieve that, let's switch back to edit mode and play the video a bit. So eventually I start scrolling, I think. It doesn't really matter. Let's just say that at this timestamp, I want this keyframe to actually grow a bit in size and then maybe even move to the right side just for the sake of the example. Now if I go back to the beginning, switch to view mode, I can actually see the keyframes, the camera is slowly but surely moving to the direction that I said it should move to. You can actually create as many keyframes as you want. You can even move them around. So let's move this keyframe a bit earlier so it happens quicker. You can see the transition is much faster this time. And yeah, let's go back to edit mode and just create some more keyframes, maybe make it a bit smaller, and then after that let's create another one completely on the right side and make it huge. And if I go back to this keyframe, go to view mode, I will be able to actually see all the camera movement that I just defined should happen. Alright, let's go create some more keyframes. Let's go back to edit mode. Let's go to the part where I show some code right about here. Okay, and let's say I want to show the files I have in this project. Okay, that should do it. Switch to view mode. Perfect. And after just a little bit of time, I want to actually move to the actual code part. So something like this. This should do it. Let's check it in view mode. Yeah, looks pretty good. You can actually click this keyframe and there are some options. For example, you can control the transition. It could be instant. So you can see there are no smooth transitions. This time just quickly change to another scene. Sometimes you want this, sometimes you want transitions. It's all up to you. Alright, so let's say you're finished, you're satisfied, and you're ready to export your video. So all you have to do is click this export video button, select a resolution, and wait for the rendering to be completed. So yeah, that's about it. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions. Thanks for watching, and see you guys next time.